Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crusty, but I woke up probably like an hour or two ago. Finished the rest of the bathroom. So this video is just gonna be part 3. And I'm gonna show you guys the final look of the bathroom. Now, it's not complete, honestly, it's not completely done. There's still a little more things that I wanna buy and put together, but overall, I'm in love with it. Like I said, last night I came from work and then I just started putting the bathroom together. So I am exhausted, like literally exhausted. But overall, it came out good. So I'm just going to show you guys the finished tour. I'm so excited. Like, you guys don't understand how excited I am. Like, it's simple, but super, super cute. So let's just get this little tour going on. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see more content like this, more videos like this, well, you guys are going to see more videos like this, but if you guys enjoy it, please let me know, and let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so before I give you guys the big reveal of the bathroom, for all the moms watching, I think you guys should come join me and have a cup of coffee, because Lord knows we need it, especially dealing with kids all day. But yes, just showing you guys how I make my coffee every single morning. Okay, you guys ready? So I'm just gonna show you guys a little overview. Can't really tell, but so here we go. This is my little vanity part. Sorry, this bathroom is super tight, so let me just come over here. I got little decorative towels here. Hi guys, I got the mirror. I got this little, which is the leaves. A little candle holder. I actually put some marbles in there, some green marbles. That's the toothbrush holder. So quick little, this are actually leaves. I just cut the little metal wires that came with it, and I just crazy glued it along here to make it more decorative. I got a candle back there. Again, the little candle holder here. The soap dispenser. I wish this was gold. Maybe I will change this to gold, or maybe I'll just leave it like that. I don't know, but oh my god, it's so cute, guys. Like, I know it's simple, but it's super cute. My daughter's father said to put like the leaves around here, but I don't know. So yeah, I was actually gonna get a toilet seat cover and just put it on there, but again, I have to go to the store and buy that. I just haven't gone to the store in a while. Here is the shower curtain and the rug. So I just decided to go with regular gold ones because the shower curtain that comes with these, it's like the little leaves, and I just thought it was too much green, so I wanted, you know, a lot more gold. So I just got that. I actually need another shower rod as well, because that one is just ugly. And then here is the longer towel. I just folded it and put it there. It's not long enough. The way this little thing is set up here, like, it's not long enough for me to have it the long way, so I just fold it like that. But it's whatever. Well, guys, look, here's the little DIY that I made. It's so cute. I'm in love, guys. I am in love with this bathroom. Like, I am super in love with this bathroom. Again, it's super simple, but what can I say? I still like it. So one thing that I will do for here, I'll probably just buy like little hooks or little ring cuffs and just put it like that, so it'll look a lot cuter. But I gotta go, I think, some Dollar Tree, so I'll probably go to Dollar Tree today or tomorrow to buy some, because my daughter keeps pulling it, as you can tell. She keeps pulling it, but it's whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys love my bathroom, because I am in love with it. Every time I come in the morning, I'm like, yes. And then when I have the candle burning, it's like feng shui. Like, I feel so grown in this bathroom. But yeah. So guys, I'm back. I'm sitting down, drinking coffee. The baby's still sleeping, thank God, so I can enjoy my little me time. But you guys, just like, comment, share. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And the kitchen is next. So that should be really, really fun to decorate. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks, and see you guys soon.